traffic, baby. Find your way back. Don't let this life drive you crazy. Find your way back. Come back home, keep the street lights on. Find your way back. Find your way back.
Grand Rising, everyone. So this rising, I decided to check on the status of Hurricane Dorian. And before I even got to see the status of it, the name stood out to me and I decided I need to decode this name. Now, with the status, I was able to see that it has progressed and now it's at a category 4, but it is starting to swerve off of the US. So I think the universe is starting to duck to the right. However, the winds and the storms are still going to be felt. So I wish anybody and everybody well who may be affected by this storm. May you be well, may you be safe, may you be sheltered, and may you come out of the storm safe and sound. So now to the spiritual message that I received from Dorian. I used all the letters, right? So Dorian. And with those letters I got, don't allow others' noise to radiate internally. Don't allow others' noise radiate internally. So, seeing that Hurricane Dorian is one, a hurricane, 2 on the news. The news, the radio, radiate. That is all of frequency and an energy that is emitted. So it's funny how that's working out right now because the news is on top of this, right? And it's important that everyone be aware of what's going on. But I know that with this emission of information, it's changing up and altering people's internal peace. I mean, it's a storm. I get it. Now on to the other aspect of it though. Not just with the radio or with the news. Don't allow other people's noise to radiate internally into you. So other people's opinions or reactions. Okay, so noise, not only is it something that you can hear, but it is something that you can feel. And I know a lot of people do struggle with nonverbal communication where they say one thing, but you can see and sense a whole nother thing, right? And so it works both ways. Don't allow other people's noise to radiate internally within you. And also be mindful of what you're radiating out into other people. And if you struggle with that nonverbal communication where you're emitting an energy that doesn't align with what you're saying and it may affect others, be mindful and change that. I struggle with that myself, and that is something to be aware of, how you are non-verbally affecting another individual and with your words too. Be mindful of it all. Now, I did but I found 2 quotes that really go hand in hand with this message. And the first one is by Steve Jobs. He said, "Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice." So this noise, right, that we've allowed over time to radiate internally has now altered and drowned out our inner voice. Drowned it out to where now you're no longer expressing yourself how you truly want to, right? How you truly feel, because other people's opinions have now altered that, whether it be society or another individual. And we should always be mindful of our inner voice and how we choose to express it. Sometimes people will give you a sense of disapproval of your message, but it may be the way you're delivering the message. So you have to learn to transmute this radiation that you're receiving from people or whatever information is coming in, whatever noise is coming in. You have to learn to transmute that, process it, really dissect it. Okay, so really look at the scope of what's going on, understand the different aspects of what's creating this noise, and then give your response. Okay, don't allow it to shake you up and now you're malfunctioning, like malfunction, and your information is now distorted. You know, like what you're trying to put out there is now distorted because you've allowed them to penetrate and shake things up within you. Here's another quote. Let it be understood once and for all that Catholic dogma does not fix a limit to the operations of reason in dealing with divine truth. So what I got from that, all right, because it's not just Catholicism, it's religion as a whole. Dogma is a set of rules and standards, usually dealing with religion, that puts the people in a certain order. Order is the divine and universal language, or the universe, cosmos means order, all right? So we do need order as people. But when it comes to religion or whatever is being put out there to put people in a box, you have to also not let that to radiate internally. You have to be able to think for yourself, not let dogma drown out your own inner voice, your own spirit, what your spirit is seeking and needs. So that's something to be mindful of, Dorian. This is what Dorian is really asking us to do. To really, baby, what's up? Really examine how noises of other people are affecting you internally. Okay, remember, everything is frequency and vibration. And we are made predominantly of water, and water conducts this vibration. It really sends it all throughout your body. So you got to be able to, transmute. That's like really what it is. And that's my message for the day. That's what I received. And I just wish everybody well, okay? Y'all stay safe. Y'all stay well. Peace and blessings.
Find your way back. Big world, but you got it, baby.